Directions to the Coineal registration step-by-step guide. Go to www.coineal.com. Click on Register and then click on Email Register. Type in your email address. Enter a strong password. Type in the password again. Click Send Code. Then go to your inbox and click on the Coineal email. Copy the custom registration code and paste the code on the registration page. Click Register. Congratulations, you just registered to Coineal. To make sure all of your future transactions are successfully executed, right after you finish your registration, go to the top bar of the page. Click on your login name. Click on Account. Then go to the section Security Settings, where you have two options of verification, by Google Authenticator or by binding your phone. To bind your phone, please provide your cell phone number. Click Send Code. And in the next box, type in the code sent to your phone. For the other option, click Enable Google Authenticator. Then, scan the QR code shown on the page with the Google Authenticator app. This application on your phone will provide you with a 6-digit code. Please type in your Coineal password in the first box. Then, in the second box, type in the Google Authenticator code generated by your phone. You will see a notification saying Enabled Google Authenticator. Success! You are ready to make transactions.